Hey everybody.
Just showing off our latest trailer here. This one's going out tomorrow morning. It's going to be used in a truck washing application. So we've got a 3,500 psi, 8 gallon a minute hot water washer up front. And then on the other side here, you can see the 3,000 at 5.5 cold water unit. Behind the hot water, we've got the 525 gallon tank. And then as we move around, you'll see the 35 gallon antifreeze tank and a 35 gallon soap tank, followed by the high pressure and inlet cox reels. On the left, we have the 100 foot of the inlet hose on there. And then on the right, we've got two of the high pressure reels, each with 200 feet of hose on them. And then just a glimpse of the other side, where you can see that cold water washer and the tank drain. If you have any questions or anything, just give us a shout. It's 330-753-8394. Thanks.